What if I told you that everything, you, me, the stars, the galaxies, they're not actually made up of tiny particles, but instead tiny strings? Welcome to String Theory 101, which might just be the key to finding out how our universe actually works. Physics has two rule books: Einstein's general theory of relativity, which we apply to big things such as galaxies, planets, etc. And then quantum mechanics, which explains the little things of life like atoms, quarks, photons, etc. But mesh both of these rule books together and you'll create a havoc because they don't go together. For example, if we apply both of them to a black hole, it's not gonna work out. The math is really complicated and definitely doesn't have an answer. So that's where string theory comes in. String theory helps unify everything and give it a simpler answer that we can actually find out. As the name suggests, string theory proposes the idea that instead of everything being made up of tiny particles, everything is made up of tiny one-dimensional strings. And the way these strings vibrate determines whether they're atoms or photons or whatever they are. Imagine the notes of a guitar being the particles and the strings being the strings. Now, this theory is just a theory because for it to work out, we require 3 dimensions, sometimes even 10 or even 11. But we can't see those other ones. They're really, really tiny, like an ant walking around a cable from really far away. You can't see the ant, but it's there. The directions are there. And for its math to work out, we will need 3 dimensions, if not that, even more. But if it does work out, string theory can help us unify everything: electromagnetism to nature to environment, and it may even help us find out the alien UFO structures. It unifies everything into a simple, elegant structure. But it's just a theory because to actually see these strings, we would need a giant particle collider the size of the galaxy to see the strings. So, safe to say, we don't have those kind of resources yet, but it would still be pretty cool. String theory is not just science fiction. Well, of course it is, but it's more than just Sheldon's major in the Big Bang Theory. It's so big that we don't even completely understand it yet. It has multiple dimensions, and if you want to make it even spicier, you can add in the multiverse theory. But I think we should save that for another video. So, if you enjoyed this astrophysics video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I post videos like this a lot. And who knows, maybe I will see you in my next one.